Okay.
All right, so the main word I'm picking up here is like frantically refers to anxiousness, or fear. Basically emotions.
Yeah.
Okay. And frequent means it's regular. Something that's happening a lot, occurring a lot.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, frequently. Frequently is like you're occurring on or done on many occasions.
Yep.
So yeah.
Okay. Now on line two here, there's two phrases that I want you to look up. Full force and on foot. Now, it's better if you can do it like in the context of the reading. Like it says, every day millions of shoppers hit the stores in full force. Any idea what that means?
Full force.
Yeah.
Totally, fully, completely.
Yeah, so it's like everyone is involved.
Yeah.
Okay. How about on foot? What does that mean if they're on foot?
If they're off foot, off foot.
On
Okay.
foot, on foot, on foot.
On foot. Walking rather than traveling by car or using other transport.
Well, let's look at it. It says here both online and on foot. They're shopping both online and on foot. What does that mean? What kind of shopping are they doing?
On foot, we can say and trap and both online and transport.
So on foot means they're going into the stores. They're
Yeah, I
going
would.
into the
Yeah.
stores. That's what it means to be on foot. You're going into the stores, you're doing your shopping in person.
Yeah.
Whereas online is not. Online is online. All right,
Mhm.
so let's keep reading here. Excuse me. All right. Um, all right, here we go. Okay, start with this frequent here. Go ahead and start with that, please. This frequent.
Pretty good. Okay. Should I read that?
Yep, go ahead and read it out loud for us, please.
All right. This frequent experience of gift giving can engender ebullient feelings in gift givers. Many relish the opportunity to buy presents because gift giving offers a powerful means to those build stronger bonds with one's closest peers. At the same time, many dread the thought of buying gifts. They worry that their purchases will disappoint rather than delight the intended recipients.
Okay, so look back through this. Tell me if there's any words you don't understand, and we'll talk about them together.
All right. Engender, oblivion, and recipient.
Yeah, I figured you would have these.
Yeah.
What was the last one? What was the last one? Recipients?
Recipients,
It's recipients. Good.
recipients.
Yeah, let me go ahead and drop these in the chat here and go ahead and look up definitions for each of them. And this is what you should do when you don't understand something. You should go out and you should look it up.
Engender means to cause or give rise to a feeling.
I need you to type these into the chat, please.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is help you out here in the chat here. So I want you to read the or in the screen. I want you to look at the screen and read the definition here for each of those words, please. Hang on just a second. I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
All right, Sourish, I'm back. So what I try to do here is put in the document here, like the use of these words, so you've got an idea what they mean. Ambivalent is when you're mixed or even having contradictory feelings, like something's good or is it bad. A recipient is a person that receives something. So good. So a word here that I don't know if you know. Do you know the word peer? What does the word peer mean? P-E-E-R. And I can
Yeah, a
drop that.
peer is a peer is where somebody grows up as a teen.
It's more like a friend. A
Yeah,
friend. It's not a
it's a friend as a
parent.
teen.
It's not your teacher. It's not your, it's not someone below you. It's kind of like
It's a
they're at the
teen.
same.
A peer is a older teen.
No, it's not necessarily. They're the same age as you. Okay, they're the same age, the same place in life as you.
Okay.
All right. How about the word dread? What does the word dread mean?
Dread means terror, like becoming very hunting.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and look that one up, please. Go
Dread
ahead and look
means
up.
it's getting hunted by the terror of your dreams.
Go ahead and look that up, please.
What? Okay. Fear, it's fear.
It is fear.
Yeah, I was meaning to say that.
How about the word delight? Go ahead and look that up, please.
Please, someone greatly.
Okay, to please someone greatly.
Hmm.
All right, let's keep going here. Let me snip in a little more. All right. All right, so go ahead and read this out loud for us, please.
Anthropologists describe gift giving as a positive social process serving various political, religious, and psychological functions. Economists, however, offer a less favorable view. According to Wald Fogel, 1993, gift giving represents an objective waste of resources. People buy gifts that recipients would not choose to buy on their own, or at least not spend as much money to purchase, a phenomenon referred to as the deadweight laws of Christmas to wood givers.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning here. I'm just gonna ask you again, are there any words here that you do not understand?
Any words I do not understand? Phenomenon and deadweight?
Okay. Phenomenon. Right. Okay. Yeah, let me put these in the chat here, and I'd like you to look these up and get us some definitions for each of these, please.
Okay.
Dead weight is more of like, waste.
Yeah, but in the sentence in there was like a sentence like a loss of dead weight.
Yeah,
Yeah. And but it doesn't even say anything about in sentences like growing weight or anything. It just only
right,
says just the reference.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's look at this passage a little bit more here. What, I'm gonna just, what is an anthropologist? Do you know that one?
Anthropologist, I don't know what is that.
Okay, so let's put that in the chat.
Anthro. The study of human societies and cultures and their development.
Okay, so go ahead and drop that in the chat. Copy that in the chat, please.
Okay.
And how about an economist? Let's have you look that one up, please.
An economist.
Yeah,
It's an economist. Economist.
right. So what is an
It's called
economist? Well,
economist, not economist. Economist.
there are sometimes multiple ways to pronounce
It's
words.
an expert in economics.
Okay, so go ahead and put that in the chat, please. Okay, great. All right, so we're gonna take a 4-minute break here. So I'll see you back at 3:35, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sourish, you ready to go here?
Yeah.
All right, we're almost done. So let's see what we got here. How does this compare to what you were doing with Miss Audrey?
I'm not having tutoring with her.
I understand. But did you guys read passages like this and go through the words? What did you guys?
We just only read what is in my assignments for school. We just only know, she just has to know what assignments am I doing in English class in school.
I see. Got it. Okay. Well, whenever you're ready, Sourish, you want to read starting here to wit?
Yeah. To wit, givers are likely to spend $100 to purchase a gift that receivers would spend only $80 to buy themselves. This dead weight law suggests that gift givers are not very good at predicting what gifts others will appreciate. That in itself is not surprising to social psychologists. Research has found that people often struggle to take into account of others' perspectives. Their insights are subject to egocentrism, social projection, and multiple attribution errors. Okay,
Okay. So the thing here is that um, I'm sure egocentrism. Um, let's see. Whoa, whoa, almost dropped my mouth. Okay. Sorry about that. Great. Social projection. And attribution. Okay, so I want you to look up each of these words for me, please. Drop those in the chat. Are these in order, Sarish?
yeah, those are in order.
Okay.
Okay,
Psychological process through which an individual expects behaviors or attitudes of others to be similar to their own. Yeah. So you want people to take on uh, similar attitudes.
okay.
All right, and then attribution. Something being caused by another person or thing. Okay, yeah, that's good enough for me. All right, good. Okay, let's keep going here. We're in a good rhythm today of what to do here. We're doing a great job. So let me grab a last section here. All right, so go ahead and read this out loud for us, please.
Okay. What is surprising is that gift givers have considerable experience acting as both gift givers and gift recipients, but nevertheless tend to overspend each time they set out to purchase a meaningful gift. In the recent research, we propose a unique psychological explanation for this overspending problem, i.e., that gift givers equate how much they.
Okay, yeah, I know it ends right there, but that's good. Any words here that you don't understand or like us to go through?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah, I actually don't think there's anything here that's worth talking about. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, so keep going here. So go ahead and start reading that. Gift givers equate how much they spend. Go ahead and start reading there.
Okay. Okay. Spend with how much they spend with how much recipients will appreciate the gift. Although a link between gift price and feelings of appreciation might seem intuitive to gift givers, such an assumption may be unfounded. Indeed, we propose that gift recipients will be less inclined to base their feelings of appreciation on the magnitude of a gift than givers assume.
Okay, so let's see. What does intuitive mean? Let's have you look that one up. Intuitive. Drop that in the chat here.
Okay. Okay. Hello?
Yep. Did you throw that in the chat?
Yeah.
All right. So using or based on what one feels to be true, even without conscious reasoning. Yeah. It's like what you believe to be true. That's it. Perfect. All right. Well, I think we can end here for today, Sourish. Was that okay with you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, good job. We're